Good morning, everybody. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Hope everybody has done good trade. Today, I will show you how to trade in a sideways market or non-trended market. So, with the help of our indicator and setup, it is still possible. So, let me straight away get into the subject. So, this is the State Bank of India chart, okay, and this is a 15-minute chart. Now, how will I trade? So, how will I know that at this point the trade would would be reversed and all those stuff? So those everybody knows by looking at this chart, naked chart, but I will show you with our setup. So as usual, let us switch on our setup, usual setup. So this is our stock to setup. Now we all know that Bank Nifty was on downtrend, right? So was on downtrend. Let me switch up this setup and show you how will I know that it is in downtrend. So let's move to daily chart, and in the daily chart, if you look at Bank Nifty has been on a slide, so therefore it's a downtrend. Okay, this is how we should read. Now how to trade in the downtrend? Let me switch on our setup again, and I will take you through how it is to be done. This is our usual stock show setup. We all know Nikala and other rules. Now using that rule, on 26th, let's say it's a 15-minute chart. On 26th, the Bank Nifty has gapped up. So from here to here, there is a big gap, right? There is no other candle. So how do you measure trap? We only draw a line, right? We can see that this is a gap. So how we are going to trade in this gap? In Bank Nifty, you will not be able to trade this gap. However, since I said that Bank Nifty is in a downtrend, so I am going to take a contra trade. Downtrend है तो मैं uptrend में जाऊंगा, because everybody is bearish. So we should be looking at opportunity. So in downtrend, if you look at, we got a X candle here, right? And then we have a Nikala satisfied here. So once we have Nikala satisfied, you will get a good movement, because in stock market we have seen 72 to 80% time the market goes into sideways and you get only 20%, 20 to 25% trended days. So once this is done, you see it is against our trend. So it is trend is coming down, means there is no trend. Even then we are trading. So therefore this is how we should be able to do it. This is a technique. So here the Nikala was satisfied. Why Nikala was satisfied? This is the place where Nikala was satisfied, right? Neel Kala Lal. Nikala intersection actually at this level. Now, but since we have got an X candle and it is rising, we can always take a risky trade. Now if you take this trade here at 354, so on the next candle when it is crossing 354, we can enter. So with a 354 with a stop loss of 349, we are riding the trend. So it is going up, we are letting the trend letting the trend go up with the Nikala line. We are seeing whether it has crossed down my center line. So once the trade from 359 we have entered, and during our journey it gave me a profit here. You could have brought a profit at 59. So basically you have entered at 354, 5 rupees, 15,000 rupees. Second is, since the trend is up, your second option is to book profit at 360, 361 level. So this is how you can manage your trade, and without this kind of guided assistance, visual guided assistance, you will not be able to take those trades. We do also have an indicator called Mr. Gann, WD Gann. So what this WD Gann says, and now I am switching off my stock show indicator here, but of course stock show indicator is required. So let's for the sake of reducing some line, I will show you how we are using WD Gann, who is the boss of the universe. So his code cracking and then understanding the code, we have developed this. First of all, are you looking at these lines? These are all automatic lines which exactly says what is my current state. I am interested in current trading, right? So therefore it's a downtrend. So once it is downtrend, this Gann indicator, Gann says here you will sell, automatically a pink signal will come. Here you will sell. Gann is also giving you some targets. If you look at this particular line, you have certain numbers that we explained it to our students, and this also have the dynamic target. These are all dynamic targets, right? If I short it here, State Bank at 365, what will be my next target? See, look at the line here, 365, right? 365. So these are all dynamic lines. My next target would be 364, 362 and all those. 364 short, 364, and then your next target would be 359. Like that you have to read. So automatically if I short it here, I want the stock to come down. So if I want the stock to come down, my first immediate target would be 360 rupees here. Why? Because that is a bear trap line. So I have started riding the trend, and once it is touched 360, you see, yes, you get a very small green candle. But since I have not got the back to back arrow, I am still in the trade. So basically this is independent of your emotion. So once this you are riding until this point here, or once the trend line changes. Once the trend line changes, you can always book a profit here. So you could have sold it at this level after this candle 362, and you could have bought it at 345. This is a kind of setup that we have developed, and these are all automatic things. I will not personally do anything. I will see only when I get a signal. Okay, signal, or when the line changes, black to red to green, green to red, and all those, and you have all the support, immediate Gann support resistance levels are here. So soft hearted trader, weak hearted trader can start booking profit and re-enter. Okay, and you also don't need this kind of other things in your life. So this is a Gann setup. Look how beautifully it has performed in the past. Automatically it is giving you a buy signal. So even if I do a blind buy here, not looking any other thing, at the close of the candle, what is your buy level? 353. So therefore you can always ride the candle, and then you see here there is no generation of the candle, but trend line has changed. So if it is a trend, if trend line is changing, you can always exit the trade here. Once this particular big candle is going, big candle has been generated, you can always get it out here 356. So you will not lose money. So therefore it has got certain rules where you can step by step keep on booking profit. See here, up to this it has come, and then it has given a false signal. So how to eliminate these false signals and all those, we have our own methodology, and the numbers and levels are here. So we will be able to do it. And then after giving back to back buy signal, sell signal, back to back, you will not be able to trade this. So therefore when we should be able to trade this, we have a technique and we can do it. Just I am showing the power of this particular setup. So in our Stockster setup, it is not giving any normal basic setup. It's a very defensive setup. So therefore it is designed to really handhold you, and then slowly you will start getting into advanced mode according to our rule. So we have this setup of let I will explain this setup later on. We have another setup. This is your our famous scanner. So for example, here you have a Bank Nifty scanner. So therefore, if you look at the Bank Nifty stock, you will get all this. So like this is a Titan stock, let's say. So here I have opened the Titan stock. So once you have a Titan stock, what this scanner says? This scanner says it's a how many, it's a 5 minutes candle scanner. So within the 5 minutes, this scanner is going to give you a good result, immediate stock, and in the 5 minutes, what you will get, you got a signal here that you got a black diamond, flag diamond here. Once you have a flag diamond here, this is basically indicating you to buy. So therefore, whether it is buy or sell, scanner will give you a hint that this is what is happening. Now this is how the scanner has to be is very useful at different market at different time frame. So I can always change the scanner to different time frame from 5 minutes to monthly according to the nature of your trade. Okay, so there are two types of scanner. One is your lightning scanner, and as you said, what the lightning scanner do? Lightning scanner will plot a bar here that this is going to be a very lightning move. In the past, what has happened? In the past, once you have a lightning scanner here, and then the stock has come down. Okay, so it has picked up a lightning speed. So therefore here Titan has come down from 1503 to 1498. So this is a big big move. So therefore because the stock lot size is high. Okay, so 750 lot size. So this is why the scanner plays a big role. Here also you have got a scanner. The moment you get this, immediately on running market you can take a call. From 15 it opened at 1499 and it was plotting a scanner here. 1499, the stock in 2 candle it has jumped to 1512. So if you want that kind of move, yes, you can do that. You have also a scanner of Titan. Now these are all, you have different kind of scanner. So therefore, according to your need, you can take these kind of scanners. I will explain you our mother of all setup, which is of course not we have not given price at this moment. This we are selling at an expensive price, and these are taken by all serious and big traders. So what does this do? First of all, it has got our, as usual, GAN setup. This GAN setup automatically plots the lines. I don't have to do anything. You can see it yourself. These plots, automatic plot, and then thereafter you can see what has happened. Okay, so here at this level there is a big fight between bull and bear. So therefore, if you have shorted here, you would have incurred a small loss. That's okay, fine, because you cannot avoid your loss. But here in a running market, you generally it works in a deadly mode. Here at this level, we got a short signal here, and then thereafter from 581 stock has gone down to the this is a downtrend. On a downtrend, you get a signal here, and then you can reach here. So 581, the stock has gone to 556, and it is it has not taken much time. It has how many bars? Let us see from here. How many bars? This is only 36 bars. 36 bars is means 2-3 days. Here the date was 9/15/24th March, and you have got this money at 25th March. So 1 day holding, you can the stock lot size is 1375. Let's say how much we could have minted, 576.75 and 557. Let's say you have not caught this level. Okay, you have exited here. So 557 you got a you here, because you have a green signal here. So 576.75 and 562.5. So 576.75 minus 552.5. We have minted this amount of money into 1375 is the lot size. Just imagine the power of this 33,000. But you have to be patient, like stock will go up and down, but once we get this kind of, and in the this kind of move, there's that generates a big move. So therefore you know what kind of move we'll get, because each swing is a big swing. Okay, so this is how we have traded. 33,000 is not at all a problem. And along with that, we also use, we are not seeing volume, we are not seeing RSI, any indicator. Okay, if you switch it on, then that will add more to your confidence, right? Because these signals are, we have shorted here, and then you got a special candle. So that means it has got 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional confirmation, and thereafter you get a lightning signal. Your trend is going down. I said, either if your stock, if you are scared that stock after shorting it has gone up, then I should not, I will have lot of tension. Then you have the methodology to get out and book profit quickly and enter, re-enter. But we trust our system, so therefore we don't do all this. Okay, because at this level we are seeing the rail line crossing, we have black diamond, everything is happening here, which is incidentally indicating you this is the early signal, early warning system. In the war you say early AWACS system, early warning missile system. So early warning missile is here, and then from we take the signal from GAN and then execute and write the trade, and we get out only when our trend line changed, this red to green. Okay, this is how we are going to go. And then at this during our journey we start getting more confirmation, don't get out of trade. So all those things, so these two combinations are really deadly combination to make money. Okay, so this particular GAN we have not priced yet, but this particular setup, stocks are set up with this kind of additional confirmations. These are being sold at around 75,000. So that's the pricing at this moment, and few people have taken it and they are very happy, and they have requested us to even give them GAN. So this GAN indicator we have not yet priced, we'll see, because we are also doing little bit of testing. Once we are absolutely clear, it is almost over, but once it is absolutely clear, we can always offer it for sale. Okay, and the beauty of this particular software is it also gives you an indication that what is the current condition of the stock at the moment. For example, now we are into let's say ICICI Bank. So it will keep changing. What is your current state? I don't have to, let's say I move to Delhi, I would like to see what is the current state. I will not get into these lines and all those. हमको देखना है ये yellow zone means it is no trade zone. So that means the current trade is continuing. Let's say I move to I move to Nifty. Let's say move to Nifty. What is the current trend? Because it has the ability to give you the entire thing in one color, in one snapshot, that how it is going to be done. Okay, so let's see how Nifty is giving. Nifty no trend. Okay, let's say pharma sector, what is the trend? So it gives you immediately, I don't have to calculate anything, it immediately you will get this trend replicated here. No trend. Let's say Indigo, what will be the trend? because whenever you are going to execute a trade, you must know the trend. So we look at the trend. Now it's a red color trend. What is the red color trend? If you take the mouse here, it will explain you. Okay, in a daily time frame, for daily time frame, it is below previous day low, LOC line down, everything down. So it is only down only. Now, if you, without this indicator, you will think that it is sideways. You will think it is sideways because this is a flat line. This is the zone I am referring to. This is a flat line. No, this is not a flat line. We exactly know that this is a Kumo rate cloud along with this. So therefore I will only take trade in the downward direction. So what I will do, once we have selected the stock here, what should we do? We'll also then switch on my Gann script. Once we have the switch on the Gann script, then what you can do, let's say then let me switch off it here, and then in the Gann script you see Gann is also telling sell. So therefore I will only sell. You have more number of sales here, and you have a downward trend confirmation. I have the targets here. What is the target? The Gann has given me a target at this level. If I short at this level 1661, what is my next target? My Gann target is here. All these numbers are appearing. So therefore my next target is 1544, because the price at this level is 1653. Once it is broken, that means my next target is 1544. Okay, so this is how the targets are set. I don't have to calculate anything. These are all mathematical calculation. Okay, and then I will take this particular ride. If I go to the 5-minute chart of Titan and Gann, also you can adjust it according to your time frame. If you do not want to take the ride, I can always it is always better to set the pricing to same. I mean, not I normally set it at 1 hour chart, and then so that the trade becomes very comfortable 1 hour or daily. So automatically everything would be target and everything would be set out. Okay, so at this level, once at a 5-minute chart, you will be taking a sell entry, and where it is short. So therefore you can short it at 1607 for a target of what? From 1607 you are looking at 1569. Okay, this is where the target is coming. Okay, so this is how it should be traded. So it's very easy. So we want all traders to be visually comfortable, and then start riding the trade and all those. So therefore once we are our trend lines are all are in action. So it will be easy for us to really do it, because this is the trend line we are seeing. It has this is the trend line. It is the mother trend line. So there are ways to look at all these. So since we have changed it to 1 hour chart, this is basically, you are not seeing the small trend. Even for intraday trader, what I do is I take a trade based on small trend and based on these Gann signals. See, in the past you get lot of Gann signals. This is the trend change, so you can always enter. It's a combination of two things which actually makes money. Okay, and you can do it in the sideways market. So that's all from my side. If anybody is interested for taking these kind of softwares, my mobile number and the contacts, everything is there with you in the below video, and then you can contact me and do a profitable trade, and it's a safe trading. You don't have to have very good knowledge about it. So this is how we should trade visually. Okay, thank you very much. This is CA Swarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck.